This is Math Set 3, Question 1. The average height of two girls is k cm. The taller boy is 5 cm taller than the shorter boy. Find the height of the shorter boys in terms of k. Now, oops, sorry, this should be boys, not girls. Okay. Now, I know the average height of the two boys is k cm. So, the total height will be 2 times k equals to 2k. So, this is the total height of the two boys. Okay. So, that's acceptable. Now, I know that the taller boy is 5 cm taller than the shorter boy. So, if I actually drew out my model, taller boy and shorter boy, taller boy and shorter boy. So this is actually the same except for the taller boy who is 5 cm taller, correct? Just 5 cm taller, and the whole thing is actually 2k cm. Now, what can I do to find the shorter boy? Normally, if this is an actual number, I take this actual number, I minus 5, I divide by 2, I'll get my answer. So let's just do that. 2k minus 5 is the amount that these two units will share. This is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. So to find the shorter boy, so the shorter boy is actually just 1 unit. So the whole thing divide by 2. Now, so this is the final answer. Always remember in PSLE, answer, put it in bracket. So 2k minus 5 over 2 cm. Okay, full marks here. Next. Question 2. Farmer George has 29 chickens and goats on his farm. The animals have a total of 92 legs. How many goats are there? Okay, we have done this type of questions many times. Okay, what you have to be very clear about is first, chickens, okay, have 2 legs, not 4 legs. Okay, 2 legs. Goats have 4 legs. So, how should I go about this? I know the total number of legs is 92 here. Okay, what is the maximum number of legs possible? Okay, I know it will be 29 animals times 4, which will give me 116. 116 is the maximum possible, but I only have 92 legs, so I take 116 minus 92, I'll get 24. So I have 24 spare legs. What happens? Why are there extra legs here? Okay, now this happens because I take away 1 goat, I put 1 chicken in. What happened? There'll be 2 less legs, right? So every time I take away a goat, I put a chicken in, there will be 2 less legs. So if that's the case, 4, which represent the number of legs the goats have, minus 2, which is the legs the chickens have, is 2. So every time I take a goat out, I put a chicken in, minus 2 legs. So 24 divided by 2, because this extra is created by taking out the goats, putting in the chickens. I know there must be 12 chickens. So if I know there are 12 chickens, how many goats are there? 29 minus 12 equals to 17. So there are 17 goats. Okay. Next. Question 3. Another very simple speed question. Mrs. Low drove an average speed of 75 km per hour for 1.5 hours. She continued driving at 15 km per hour for another 1/4 hour. How far did she travel altogether? Now, no matter how simple the question is, always make an effort to draw the distance timeline. So for 1.5 hours, she traveled at 75 km per hour. Next, 1/3 hour, she traveled 15 km per hour. Okay. Now, you cannot add this up and add this up and multiply. I told you all many times before, speed does not work that way. You have to calculate it in different segments. So this is segment 1. This is part 1. This is the second part. So we have to calculate them differently. So for the first portion, 1.5 times 75 equals to 75 plus 37.5 equals to 112.5. So I know the first part, she traveled 112.5 km. How about the other? 1/3 times 15 equals to 5. So total distance is 112.5 plus 5 equals to 117.5. So she traveled 117.5 km.